This exceptional and world-class performance was followed by yet another super run in her fast 5,000 meters Diamond League race a week later in Paris, where she broke another world record on the 9th of June, 1 week later, 2023, during the Wanda Diamond League meeting in Paris in France, with a time of 14 minutes, 0520 seconds. We congratulate you, Faith, once again for the wonderful performance. We had also one gentleman there from the media in Kenya, the only media reporter in Africa who was invited to go and report those performances. And this was Elias Makori from the Nation Media Group. He was reporting from there. Faith Kipyegon writes history as the first woman to break the world records in both the 1,500 meters and 5,000 meters since an Italian Poala Pigni, who reset them, the two of them, in 1,500 meters, 5,000 meters, and 10,000 meters over a 9-month stretch in 1969 and 1970. It has taken that long for somebody to come and break the same records.